Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at and installing the SpeedForm ABS rear window louvers for all 2005 to 2014 Coupe Mustangs. Now you're going to want to be checking these out if you're looking for a very classic looking rear window louver at the most budget friendly price. These cost right about $200. They're made of ABS plastic, so they're going to be lightweight and durable, and they have a grainy textured finish to them. Now the fact that these are ABS does mean that they really are lightweight and very durable, and they have some impact resistance to them, and that's going to be great news for those of you out there that are looking for rear window louvers but that kind of want to stay away from an aluminum window louver because of how heavy it is and you're worried about metal against a rear window. As far as the install goes, I'm going to call this one a 1 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter, and of course we'll go ahead and show you how to get it installed now. Alright guys, so the first step of the install is to clean your rear window with a warm soap and water mixture, and then you want to make sure it's as dry as possible. Next, you're going to take your louvers and flip them over. We're going to mount our mounting brackets here, and these are the mounting brackets. They have a 6mm nut on top that's just about hand tight. So what we're going to do is we'll remove the nut, and then we'll go ahead and work our way around the entire louver. There's going to be 6 mounting brackets that we put on. We'll put them in location. Just hand tighten the nut down for now. It doesn't need to be too tight. What we're going to do after we get these in place then is actually peel the backing off the back of the 3M tape, and then we're going to go ahead and apply these to the window. You just want to make sure you have the brackets in the correct orientation, because if you think about it, this is going to be the outside of the window louver, so you don't want to put these on like this. You don't want your bracket hanging over the edge of the louver. You always want the bracket behind the louver. And since our rear window is already clean, we're just going to roll right into peeling the backing off the 3M tape here and getting these ready to install. Alright, and once we peel the backing off this last bracket, we're going to go ahead and line this up with the window and press it into place. So right now, I'm just working to get all of the edges lined up. I'm not pressing into place yet. Want to make sure that everything's lined up perfectly. And once I have it lined up and sitting where I want it to, I'm just going to press firmly where all of our brackets are and make sure that the 3M grabs the window. From here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the nuts on the mounting brackets, and I'm going to pull the louvers off. And just so you guys know, if you ever want to clean your rear window, this is exactly how you're going to do it. So you'll just remove the mounting nuts on the brackets, and you'll be able to pull the louvers right off. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to go around and check all of our mounting brackets. We're going to make sure that the 3M is adhered solidly to the window. Alright guys, now we're going to reinstall the louvers. Alright guys, and I do have an 8mm socket here because we are going to go ahead and tighten these down now. So you obviously want these to be a little bit tight, but you don't want to over tighten them either because they are just plastic. So I'm only tightening until I feel them get a little bit snug, and then I'm stopping. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this review and install. Keep in mind that you can always check these out more online right here at AmericanMuscle.com.